into the end of the day for the bulls. Phenomenal, actually a phenomenal recovery. I'm surprised they didn't let it slip further. Almost 56 basis points from the bottom after our 140 basis point drop from the top. Um, but it does look like they're positioning bullishly again for tomorrow. Maybe a retest of delta neutral, maybe a little higher if we get some vol crush. For ES, that's going to mean the bullish test is going to be at like 4,400 and the confirm at 4,416. Obviously, Dixie moving up hard today, bouncing back after several days of losing ground, and moving back into its prior trend, where it had spent 12 weeks just going straight the fuck up. Correlation. Oh, that's not right. Hold on. Fuck. So, correlation continued to take a bit of a hit today, despite the absolutely insane bounce. It's still staying quite low. So the recovery helped there. USD JPY rocketing again. So that actually might mean some more market downside. Dixie back at 106.49. None of these charts are fucking right. I don't think we have a move print for today yet. But it looks like maybe flat, correlation slightly up. I expect some effort still over the next couple days to get bond volatility back down and under control. It is quite high. VIX correlation almost evened out actually on the week. We'd started the week a little low, but now we're almost even on the prior week. The 10-year to SPX, well, that's obvious. All right, so yeah, looks like they're gonna try to still recover over the next couple days. Rads maybe gonna do a thing if they get financing. Fubo, uh, kind of flat. It had started to cross back to the upside, but now it's not. Maybe this bounces 237 and we get another upside test back above the trend, which has shifted a little now after the failed breakout. Upstart still getting more illiquid, but kind of turning it around today after the big sell-off. Yeah, that's at resistance at 274. And then GME looks like shit. Although they did run out of liquidity a little bit at the end of the day. So, yeah, all of those are still kind of iffy. I mean, I'd look to the borrow rates more than anything. The US 30, 10, and 20 year all up more than 300 basis points, with the 30 year up 3.73. The fat tail at the auction today and the lack of demand is really probably gonna drive yields higher, especially after this whole round of long duration selling really failed to hit the sweet spot and where banks are willing to pick up longer duration bills and bonds. VIX futures up 2.27. VIX up 3.54 on the day. Oil just barely down, and then ES, NQ, Russell, and YM all down on the day. JPY USD is at 149.80. That's getting very close to the Ministry of Finance's kind of target range where they may take or may not take open market action to stabilize the currency. So quite a lot of risk present going into tonight, but I still think that the Bulls' plan to pump higher is on track, despite today's shock. So we'll see how that plays out tomorrow. I'll have more information for you guys tonight after I get the options data. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope everyone has a great day. I'll see you later.